One thing I love about the BERNINA 570 is the amazing amount of decorative stitches that are in this machine. Plus, they are all the larger size at 9 millimeters wide. Now, this is just one of the many blocks in our BERNINA Stitching Cosmos online course that we do teach you about. But one of the things we do talk about is the importance of stitching out all your decorative stitches. And we call that a stitch book. So let me show you what we're talking about. So in your machine, you will notice that there is a variety of menus with lots of stitches in them. So if you're looking for a fun way to be introduced to your machine, let's do this. Let's stitch out all the decorative stitches. Start by touching the decorative stitch button on the side here and see all these folders, and I'm touching and dragging to see the ones that are actually lower here. And as you touch into it, you're going to notice that there are lots of stitches. By touching a stitch, you can just start stitching row after row of all these stitches. Now, why do I get so excited? It's because these stitches look 10 times better stitched out than they actually look like just pictured on the screen. Now, you can see there's a lot in this menu, and here's another little trick. Touch this little arrow off to the side, and it will open up wider collection that you can look through. Now, there is so many in here, but if you take the time to stitch them out, you're going to really understand and realize the stitches that are in this machine. And then when you want to go back to another folder, touch the little back arrow here, and then you can access the next folder over and start another page of stitching. So we have a free video you can watch on how to make the ultimate stitch book in with the BERNINA Stitching Cosmos online course. You don't even need to log in to do this video. Just find the links below and you can start watching and doing immediately. Don't forget, you have all your alphabets, buttonholes, and quilting stitches. And even though I bypassed it at the beginning, a lot of the stitches that are in your utility menu, I've often used for decorative stitches as well. So make sure that you stitch out all of these. But if you want to jump to some of the fun ones, definitely start on folder 101 and just work your way through all the stitches. You can even use your start-stop button here on the front of your machine, so you don't even have to hold your foot on the foot control while you are stitching out the stitches.